how to fix or what to do if your Snapchat microphone not working on your iPhone or any other device, Android or any other device. Initial workaround should be your simple restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major issues of any technology. If you are using any technology, any device, then first initial workaround is restart your system. Second one is go to settings of your iPhone and here look for a Snapchat settings. Tap on it and make ensure that your microphone is allow a Snapchat to access under duly enabled. If you found it disabled, then turn on toggle button against microphone. And the next, make sure that volume up button is duly pressed and full volume set on your iPhone. And check whether your Snapchat microphone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is go to App Store of your iPhone and here tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and go to available updates and here look for any updates available for your Snapchat app on your iPhone. If you found any available updates, then simply update your Snapchat. Sometimes outdated Snapchat may be cause of various type of errors or microphone camera such as not working on your Snapchat. So update your Snapchat and your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.